All right, guys, so what you're going to want to do when you first log into your Facebook account, you're going to want to go to your homepage, and on the left sidebar, what you're going to want to do is go right here to the ads manager. You can kind of see some ads that we just created today. I already got 2 seller leads literally in only 15 minutes that we're running this ad. What I'm going to show you is how to create your own ads for wholesaling houses virtually. So we're going to go right here to create ad. What you're going to want to do is make sure you do it for leads. We're going to go to continue. I don't like doing this suggestion up here. I like doing manual lead campaigns. Now, because this is going to be real estate related, even though you don't have a real estate license, it is still very, very important that you go ahead and click your category here and choose housing. You can go ahead and name your ad Motivated Sellers. Now with Facebook ads, if you want cheap seller leads, you're going to want to target a large area rather than just doing a small city. Now this is really good for virtual wholesalers because one, you can wholesale houses or land all over the country. You don't need to be there if you have the skill set to close deals that way. So what I like to do is I'll go right here to locations, and we'll go ahead and we'll pick some areas that we want to wholesale in. So I love the whole state of Florida, Charlotte, North Carolina, the whole state of New Mexico. You can get houses and land very cheap and then wholesale them and make a ton of money. California is a really good state because everybody's always looking for investments out there. There's a ton of buyers in California. We can go over to Seattle, Washington. Now that you've chosen the markets you want to jump into, choose your budget. I recommend nothing less than $20 a day. I'm telling you, you'll get leads, and just try it out. Now, the next thing we're going to do, name your ad. We're just going to call it Motivated Sellers. Name this one as well, Motivated Sellers. I've been running Facebook ads for a long time. I love Facebook ads. There's a lot of haters on Facebook ads, but it's because they just can't close deals for whatever reason. I want to add media here. You're going to create your ad. Now, your ad can look like anything you like. If you can kind of see here, it says we buy houses, fast cash, no closing costs, no realtor fees. Almost is like a virtual bandit sign. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to do your primary text. Looking to buy 2 to 3 houses in the next month. Need off-market fixer-uppers. If you have a turnkey property, we can offer retail. Now, the reason why I put if you have a turnkey property and we can offer retail, we also like doing creative. We like owner finance deals. We like sub 2. Next, you're going to click get offer. Now you're going to see why that is right here on your call to action. You're going to put get offer. Description, don't miss this. All right, now you're going to create your form. I already have one created, but I want to show you how to do it. On your form, this is really important. If you don't do this the right way, you can get your account banned. We're just going to call this Motivated Sellers again. Intro, got to upload an image. Just find something plain. It could be a solid color or just something simple. I'm just going to use this one right here. Headline, sell your house for cash. Detail or description, just put something simple. We need more houses to buy. Questions. Now, this is the important part. We're going to have the full name. We're going to have the email. Because we're in a category of housing, you cannot add custom questions. You go right here and choose phone number. So full name, email, phone number, and I like to get the state. You cannot create a question and ask them where is the property located or what is the address. If you do that, they will flag your account. This works really well for me. I have not had any issues with this. All I do is I'll call or text the seller and they'll give me the information once I get this information from them. Now, your privacy notice, just use the privacy policy from one of your websites or go on Facebook and use the privacy policy. If you cannot find a privacy policy and you need one, you can text me. Now here I like to put for a faster offer, text or call me. You're gonna have to choose call business. You have to add right here description, how you're gonna use the data, create form. Now that you created your form, click publish. Now it does take a little bit of time for your ad to be published. If you are a new account running Facebook ads, it could take a day, but once it publishes, you're going to be right here and you're going to be able to see your campaign status. Once it becomes active, it'll literally say active. You should get a little notification saying it's active. And once you start getting leads, the way that you find them is, one, you can either click here, or you can set up this account to where your leads come directly to your email. Now, if you want to learn how to do this and you want me to get these set up and you want me to run paid Facebook ads, I will literally get you 15 to 20 leads every single month. So if you want to learn how to do this and start closing deals, definitely reach out to me.